Yo, what's up, guys? I'm going home today, finally. Leaving Jakarta today, so today will be the travel vlog. Stay tuned, guys. Meanwhile, this is the Terminal 3, the gates for international airlines, and it's totally closed and empty. Nothing is happening. And there where I'm heading now is the domestic terminal. Terminal 3, but domestic gates, departures. So, well, very quiet, I could say, outside the airport in Jakarta. Here inside doesn't look that busy also. This is everything because of the new rules, new regulations about the testing, stuff like this. So, but we will see how is it after the check-in, after the metal detectors and stuff like this. Here is also the counter for the manual testing checks in case if your app doesn't work or something like that. Also not many people, so basically here is a little bit more alive, because obviously this is the zone when is the drop-off for the bags for CityLink and Garuda, and also customer service. So basically this is the only traffic in this airport. International travel almost nearly not exists here in this airport, not even to mention about Bali. So it's not that busy in general, as you can imagine, not so many people. And there is also TV station, something probably they reporting about that. This is very quiet. Alright, I'm in the launch of Garuda Indonesia because I have a royal green in CityLink, so obviously the launch is included. However, not much has changed here. Also, you can have an espresso and something like that, and some nasi bungkus only. Not much is changed, and it's super hot. No air concern. So, and also quick view from the top floor. Just little traffic, but here there's some foreigners waiting for the flight. But well, hard to say if they are just come to Indonesia or they are living in Jakarta. As you see, not many people, and here also one family foreigner. But look at the hall, almost empty. So basically I'm going home. Situation in the airport looks like this. Well, not much is happening in general. I just have good news as my gate number 17 today, so I think next to Starbucks where I'm heading now. Obviously if you wanna do having a coffee or eat something, you need to go to Starbucks. I don't use Starbucks in Bali almost at all, but when I'm in Jakarta almost every day. That's what it looks like. In general, quiet. Hold on, I show you a little bit outside the airport. The plane zones. Comprehensive situation from the outside. Mostly planes of Garuda Indonesia, and over there CityLink. Only few people around. Also, if you realize, many of the restaurants inside, cafes are also closed, and people sitting just like, okay, they do the distancing, which is good, but look at this. It's crazy, very quiet. Replus is open if you wanna grab the book. And the ATM also are open. Okay, somewhere there is Starbucks. Check this out, really quiet. You have to agree with me. Have you ever been before the current situation in Jakarta airport? You know, it's super busy here, not like this. And this is my lifesaver for today in this airport. Some of you guys said that I should say Sir Damian or Mr. Damian, not just the Damian. I will try now. And yeah, that's what it looks like. Even in Starbucks, there's no people. If you're interested about the current prices in Starbucks in the airport, like this, and the queue. Eventually, they didn't mess up with my name today, and all of this, only 35. But thanks to the rewards, I got 125,000 discount on the airport, which is really not so bad today, at least something. Definitely not much is happening in the airport today. I could say it's even more quiet when I was flying in September. But yeah, rules are rules. It's not easy. Maybe that's how must to be. It must to be quiet actually, not really busy. I don't know, but you can comment below what do you think about the situation in the airport for yourself. I especially walk to the end of the terminal to show you how it looks the situation. Basically, few Garuda Indonesia, one AirAsia, which is they are nearly close to bankruptcy, and Citylink over there, and I think there very far away is the Cathay Pacific only, and something else. So I just walking at the back of the terminal, the gates 20 plus, and as you see, literally almost nobody is here around. Anyway, I hope so you're not bored with my travel vlog about filming in the airports, because, well, obviously there are the times like this, as especially in here, not many people travel around, as you see. So I hope so you are still not bored yet, and, well, for me it's the time for boarding soon, very soon, I hope so, no delays. But, well, nothing to be delayed actually, I think. Yeah, that's how it looks, the situation. And funny thing is, when I already come back from the gate 28, 25 to gate 17, they said after 5 minutes as the gate is changing to 25. So, well, that's how it is. Again, almost one of the first ones in the plane. Quite long way to walk inside and very hot, by the way. That's the plane. Somebody landing now. And yeah, that's what it looks like. Comment below if you missed walking in the lane like this, entering the plane. We'll see. Yo, we will see. Boarding is almost finished and the situation looks like this. So seems like not so busy. I mean, I guess because of the regulation, not that busy. 60%, something like that. Alright, welcome to Bali. That's how it looks the situation on arrival. Just little people, not so really that busy as sometimes people saying somewhere in media. I don't know why, but seems like not that busy. Yeah, some people arrive, of course, but come on, guys, not that busy. Also was rainy in Bali, I think. Yo, welcome to Bali. How many of you missed this place here? Yeah, how many of you been in domestic terminal anyway? That's how it looks the situation. Not so many people arrive, not so many people coming to Bali. Of course, the rules are how it is. And also one thing what I realized traveling between Jakarta and Bali, as in Jakarta actually everything is easier regarding the paperwork and everything. Everything is really strict in Bali. When you arrive, there's checkpoints and everything is definitely much more strict and detailed than in Jakarta. In Jakarta it's like usually you just arrive and go. But here no, here is very difficult. It's a little bit stressful, but if you have all the documents, you're gonna make it. If not, somebody will help you. Here are some people, okay, little bit. This is the taxi zone. So I start recording because I'm expecting as will be some nice drivers gonna offer me something to ride. It's always interesting in Bali. I left the car in the parking area. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. They are really not that happy because I have a car and showing them car key. But well, you can show your any car key if you don't want to talk with them, and they are smile always. Anyway, that's how it looks like. And also there is the Grab place if you want. Yo, what's up? So that's how it looks like. Sorry, boss, I have a. Thank you. Anyway, that's how it looks like, and this is the good parking place to leave your car over here, especially if you have a car, obviously, and you are going for longer. It's safe. All right, guys, so welcome to Bali. In this accent, I think I'm gonna finish today's vlog and full entire trip to Jakarta. Probably this is the last trip in Jakarta in this year. You can expect more vlogs from Bali as always. Well, I hope so you enjoyed that trip. Anyway, well, I don't know what to say even. So happy as I come back to Bali. I'm gonna see Winnie soon. I'm gonna go home. Thank you so much and see you tomorrow. See ya.